This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Funimation app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, I'm gonna show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So first is just go to your Google Play Store and then from here, just search for the Funimation application. And now guys, I want you to make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now, guys, if this doesn't work, all you have to do now is just go to your settings on your device. And then from here, tap on the apps, just scroll down, and you will find the apps. And from here on the apps, you will see all of the installed application on your device. And just tap on the Funimation. And then from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And now guys, if this solutions doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall the application on your device. So first uninstall Funimation on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And then from there, you should be able to fix your Funimation app and you should be able to use this properly without any error. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.